Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to develop the sweep objects by using the sweep command. I am explaining with the solid mode. It consists of the three modes. One is solid mode and the surface mode. In this tutorial I will explain with the models with the solid mode, and let's get started. If you observe on the home, you can observe the sweep operations. After observe the operation, go on to the visualize. On the top of that, you can observe the different types of palettes are available on the 3D modeling, and go on to the visualize and change the styles. You can observe the different types of view. I am selecting the southwest isometric view and go on to the shadeds. I am giving the 2D wireframe and go on to the helix operation and specify the center point of the base and specify the base radius. Nothing but the top radius and the bottom radius. I am giving the top radius here, and the diameter is 50, 100. Example, I am giving the diameter is 100. I am considering again the next diameter is I am considering the 100. After that, you can observe the radiuses are 100 and the 100 on the top, and I am giving the height is 50. See, one of the helix, by using the helix operations, one of the twist type object is created. In this I want to create the one of the circle. Go on to the top of the plane or bottom or left as your wish. You can give any of the planes to develop the models, and I'm giving the right and draw the simply some of the circle and circle with any of the diameter. It is according to the sweep. If you want to give the large circles, it is not created because according with the sweep object is created. Go on to the southwest isometric view and go on to the sweep operation, SW, enter, and select the objects to sweep mode. I am selecting the mode to solid over here and select the object over here and click on enter. After that, it asks the select sweep path. I am selecting the sweeping path. You can observe the solid object is completed according with the circle. You can also give the rectangle and the polygon and the polyline. Different types of objects you can create. I'm using the circle operation. This type of one of the sweep object is 3D model object is created. You can observe it looking nice, and go on to the next feature. These are the difference twist and scale switches are available. I will explain with this, and go on to the again I'm going to the spline operation, and on the southwest isometric view I am giving the spline like this of any of the dimensions as your wish, and given one of the spline is created. After that, I want to create at the end of the spline, I want to create the object and change the view to develop the model. I am giving the front view. You can observe the front view, it is looking like this, and back view. On that back view I am giving the one of the circle. You can observe I am moving the object. After that, you can create the object on the any of that. I am giving the left or bottom I am seeing, and I am selecting the bottom view and select the circle over here. I am creating the small circle and click on southwest isometric again. See, the one of the circle on the bottom view can create it. You can observe that, and go on to the move operation. Simply move the object to the on that position. After the giving the object, and go on to the sweep operation and select the objects to sweep and select the mode to solid and select the object and click on enter. After that, it asks the sweep path. Here I am selecting the alignment. I want to explain with the alignment. By this I want to explain with the element. I want to copy the object again to two parts. You can observe this. Select the align sweep object to S or no, it is asking. I will explain with the S and the no, and copy the object to the same to the other side. After that, simply giving the sweep operation and click on the mode and solid, and after that select the object and click on enter and click on alignment. Here I am selecting the S option and select the sweep. You can observe by selecting the alignment as this type of object is created. I will explain with no, and go into the mode and go into the solid. Again select the object over here and select the alignment, enter, and click on the alignment option. Here I am selecting the no and select the sweep path. Difference between the two objects you can observe. Simply it is the straight of the object is the faces are created. By clicking on the no option, the face of the object is somewhat inclined. These type of observations you can difference between this I will show with the 3D orbit. You can observe this is the straight face and this is the slightly inclined position. By this using the alignment, you can change the alignments by the positions of the faces. You can observe by using the 3D orbit command and click on enter. You can observe the difference. I will zoom the object over here. You can observe the faces, difference between the two faces. This is straight, this is somewhat inclined. You can observe that on the first face and the second face. You can observe that this is the alignment of the S and no. You can also change the alignments of the different type of objects you can create by using this sweep. Already explained some of the basic tutorials in previous tutorials, and go on to the spline operation again. I'm giving the one of the spline over here and like this, and click on 3 times enter. Then the spline disappears, and go on to the any of the where you want to develop. I'm giving the right see, this is the right view, and go on to the polygon. I'm giving the 6 sides polygon and click on enter and give the any of the center of the polygon, and the one of the polygon is created with the 6 sides and click on enter, and the inscribed circular circumference. See, the polygon is created like this, and you can observe the polygon and go on to the sweep object and select the object and select the base point over here. Select any of the base point and select the path with reference with the base point. According with the base point, the model is created like this. You can observe the polygon operation. By using the polygon operation, you can create the different types of object over like this. This is the polygon, and go on to the again you can observe the sweep object. I will show with the different types of features. The base point is completed and the alignment is completed. The scale and twist is remaining. I will explain with the scale and distance on the solid mode. And next, go on to the another object you want to create. Go on to the any of the space as you wish. You can give the any of the views, southwest and the southeast and northeast. Any of the isometric views are required, and I'm giving the again spline on the same viewport, and you can observe the spline is created, and go on to the any of the I'm giving the right view, or it is looking this. I want to change this to like this. One of the circle is created. I want to show you, and go on to the southwest isometric. You can observe the model is created like this. I want to create the small circle over here. This is larger because the sweep is not created, and go on to the sweep operation and select the mode and select the solid, and select the object and click on enter. After that, you can observe the scale and go on to the scale factor. I am giving the scale factor to 0.5 and select the scale. You can observe the scale is changed to the 0.5. This type of objects, by using the scale operations, you can create this type of objects by using this. This is on the southeast isometric view. I created all of the objects over here. I will explain with the surface sweep also in my next tutorials. This is the only for the solid model because the video is lengthy. And you can observe the spline operations and click the spline again. I want to create the another object over here, and the spline, and click on 3 times enter. This disappears, and go on to the plane. You want to create the small object over here. I'm selecting the polygon over here and click on the edge center of the polygon, 6 sides and inscribed are circumference. You want to give the operations and go on to the southwest isometric. The polygon is created, and you can observe the sweep. This is the important command. Twist is the very useful command to develop the different types of objects, the group objects, and click on the mode and select the solid and select the object polygon, and you can observe the twist over here. The single angle is 360 degree, and 360 degrees into 5 I'm thinking 1800, and select the path. and wait for a while. You can observe the twisted type object is created by using the twist operation on the sweep operations. I'm using the AutoCAD 2016 software. These are different types of features are available according with the as comparing with the previous softwares. It has some of the advanced commands are available in AutoCAD's 2016 versions, and the 1718 also same as like this. And go on to the twisters. You can observe the 3D F orbit. You can revolve this. You can observe the views on all sides of views. You can observe the what type of twist is created. You can observe this by using this. By using these twist operations, you can create the rope type objects. You can create the threading type metal objects. You can create by using the twist on the sweep. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners. I'm explaining with the sweep operations on the solid mode. You can observe the previous tutorials also explained the different types of basic tutorials in my channel. You can also check out my previous videos. I'm explaining all the features in AutoCAD 2016, and these are the basic